Hi everybody, Dr. Bortolotti back. I'm going to show you another thing you have to do for the Reasons essay assignment, and that is to document the source or sources that you found for the essay. So if you come down, I'm on the home page here. If you come down here, you'll see this tool icon or this link right here. And if you click on the link or the tool icon, it'll open up the auto citation tool. Okay, while this is loading, I've found an article that I want to use for my demonstration here on careers in forestry and wildlife. It gives reasons why you should choose this career. And I'm going to make sure I left click behind the URL, and I'm going to click as far to the right as possible. Left click over here in the white space at least another time, and it expands that URL all the way out. I want to make sure I grab that whole thing. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to come back over here to the citation tool. Now, if you notice it's set at MLA, there is an APA option, which I will show you in just 1 second. But for right now, I'm just going to show you the MLA. Now, it just so happens that even though my original article doesn't show an author's name or a publication date, when I throw the information into the citation tool, it found an author's name and a publication date. It doesn't always do that. So if it doesn't do it, go back and look and see if you can find the information. If you can't find the information, then skip it. If you do find the information, put it in the appropriate boxes. The author's name here, the publication date there. Okay, but the tool did it for me, which is awesome. I'm going to click Save. And over here is where it did my citation. So I'm going to copy this and paste it into my references page. But if you wanted to do APA, all you needed to do up here, at this point, it'll switch it over to APA, is come up here, click the latest and the greatest APA, 7th edition. And there it gives it in the APA style. Okay? Then what you do is you come over to the sample essay that I gave you in the modules, and you can just use this as your own. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to delete that because I'm not using those sources. I'm going to paste my source in here. Now there are some things you have to change. I have to change this to my course standard, which is Times Roman 12. And then I'm going to tab over that second line and the third line if necessary. And that's how you do it. Eventually, this can go bye-bye as well. Okay, so there's that. So that's how you include the documentation on a works cited page. If we go up into the essay itself, I know I've already gone over this with you, but I'm going to go over this again. I want to remind you that when you quote from your article, this is the proper in-text citation style for MLA. And in my example essay, I put the proper in-text citation style for APA in purple. Okay, so in the example, the MLA comes first, and then the APA example in-text citation comes second. You'll notice the main difference is with APA, they add a comma and the publication year. So for MLA, the person's last name is Willis. I'm going to come up here, and the citation would look like this. Look like this. Oopsie doopsie. And that's it. Or crap. Willis, and then the year that it was published. Simple as that.